Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to disable notifications while you are doing screen recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. Suppose if you are doing screen recording through S Capture in your phone, S capture record screen recording is started, so you are recording your screen. Suppose if you receive any notification, then that notification will also record in the screens. Okay, so if you don't like to receive notifications when you are doing screen recording, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, go to settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to S capture, and here just to turn on this button, disable notifications while recording. Just to turn on so that screen recording will not be disturbed by floating notifications. Yes. Now hereafter, if you do screen recording, whatever notifications you receive, whether from YouTube or messages or whatever may be, that notifications will not appear in the screen recording. Okay, so in this way you can easily stop notifications when you are doing screen recording in your phone Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.